In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your DNS settings on your Windows 11 computer. So changing your DNS server can sometimes improve your connection, making it a little bit faster. So how to do this is first come over to your Start menu, search for Settings, and then click on the Settings window. In the left-hand navigation, click on Network and Internet. Select Wi-Fi at the very top. Click on Hardware Properties. Next to DNS Server Assignment, click on the Edit button. And by default, this is going to be set to automatic, but we're going to change this to manual. Turn on and enable IPv4, and then you can go and enter your preferred and alternate DNS server addresses. Now, if you want to use a free one, you can just go and type in the numbers 8.8.8.8, and for the alternate DNS, type in 8.8.4.4, and then go and press save, and you can check to see if that's improved your Wi-Fi connection. If it's not worked or it's made your connection slower, you can always come back over to edit and you can try the numbers 1.1.1.1, and for the alternative server, type in 1.0.0.1 and then go and press save, and once again you can check your connection. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.